Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with two practical prerequisites, both workbooks saved and visible. Once done, select the cell that contains the word you want linked. For a quick link, press Ctrl+K and paste a workbook path or sheet. Cell, then confirm. Alternatively, type equals hyperlink, workbook. XLSX sheet 1, A1, link text to create a formula-based link. This lets you control display text versus destination. Make sure links use the exact file name and sheet. That prevents broken references later. You now refine the link to target a specific sheet or cell. To point precisely, use equals hyperlink, file. XLSX sheet 1, A1, click here. This jumps to the cell. Once done, make links dynamic by concatenating parts, equals hyperlink, and A1 and B1 and C1, D1, which constructs paths from cells. If you expect sheet names to change, create a named range and use that name in the link. Named ranges survive many edits and simplify maintenance. Also decide if links should be relative or absolute depending on file. You finish by validating and securing the links. Test each link and open the target workbook to confirm it lands on the correct cell or named range. Once validated, use data edit links to update sources or convert links to values if you must finalize. If links break after moving files, make sure paths are correct, enable external content in Excel's Trust Center, and verify exact sheet and file names. One key troubleshooting tip: save both files in the same folder and relink to create relative paths that survive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.